exploring the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mystery Facts. Today, we're diving into the deepest, darkest, and most mysterious part of our planet, the Mariana Trench. This underwater abyss is deeper than Mount Everest is tall, and it's one of the least explored places on Earth. We're about to go on an incredible journey to the bottom of the ocean. So, what exactly is the Mariana Trench? Located in the western Pacific Ocean, the trench is a massive, crescent-shaped groove in the Earth's crust. It stretches over 1,550 miles. At its deepest, Challenger Deep plunges down to about 36,000 feet, or nearly 7 miles. To put that in perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the trench, its peak would still be more than a mile underwater. Now, let's talk about the extreme environment of the trench. Down here, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. That's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. The temperatures hover just above freezing, and sunlight never reaches these depths, but life finds a way. The Mariana Trench is home to some of the most bizarre and resilient creatures on the planet. These organisms have adapted to survive in complete darkness, with some producing their own light through bioluminescence, while others have developed extraordinary ways to withstand the crushing pressure. It's like exploring an alien world right here on Earth. Scientists are constantly discovering new species down here, showing us just how little we actually know about our own planet. Human exploration of the Mariana Trench has been incredibly rare. The first descent was made in 1960 by the Bathyscaphe Trieste, piloted by Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard. They reached the bottom, but could only stay for about 20 minutes before having to surface. Fast forward to 2012, when filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made a solo descent to the Challenger Deep in the Deep-Sea Challenger submersible. His dive lasted several hours, allowing for more extensive exploration and filming of the trench's eerie depths. The discoveries made in the Mariana Trench have been nothing short of groundbreaking. From strange new species to insights into how life can survive in extreme conditions, every expedition uncovers something new. Researchers are also studying how the trench could be affected by climate change and human activity, like deep sea mining and pollution. Looking ahead, the future of exploring the Mariana Trench is exciting. Advances in technology could soon allow us to send more sophisticated robots and submersibles to explore these depths for longer periods, potentially revealing even more secrets of the deep. And that's a wrap on our journey to the deepest part of the ocean. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.